I'm Ken Nishant Kumar. I'm from Science School Rewari, and sir, I was here for the NDA entry 150th course. Thank you so much, sir, to the entire Cavalier faculty, Commander KK Dua sir, Commodore Jetli sir, Colonel Chabra sir, Colonel DN Sharma sir. On the behalf of all 10 of us from Science School Rewari who have come here to attend this training program for 14 days, I express my gratitude to the entire faculty, and especially Chabra sir and Colonel Chabra sir and Colonel DN Sharma sir, because most of our classes have been with them. So my special thanks to them. Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Kumar. I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Right now, I am studying in class 12 in Science School Rewari. It's my first attempt for NDA 150th course, and as I cleared my 10 examination, so when I was searching for the any coaching institute for the preparation of SSB, so my principal sir, Colonel Soumya, he suggested me. He sent all 10 of us who had cleared the 10 examination here, and from him we came. From him we got to know about the coaching, and we came here. It's my first attempt right now. So talking about my experience here at the Cavalier. So so I was there in the batch which was commencing from 13th of November to 26th of November. So it was a very great experience for me to be here in the Cavalier. And being from Sainik School, I was aware about the procedure and all the things that take place in SSB superficially, but not so deeply. So when I came in the Cavalier, so I got to know about all the things, about how it is done, about everything, PPT, OIR, and psychology, GTO task, interview, and everything, and GP. So all this really helped me a lot. And I also got the opportunity to interact with the officers, like we have Commander KK Dua sir, senior psychologist here. He is really helpful to us. He motivated and guided us personally. He gave the personal instructions, personal guidance to us, and especially when in the TAT stories. So actually, because that is the area where most of us lag in writing the story. So his guidance and his words value a lot for me, as well as for other students also who were there with me. Then Commodore Sunil Jetli sir. Really, he is a very good man. And what I learned from him, that always be cool, calm, and composed. This is the first thing that he always tells us. And be smart, and honesty with the tech is few words which he always teaches us. And I was very fascinated with the kind of knowledge, with the kind of geopolitics knowledge, intercountry relations he is having, and the same way he also teaches us the current affairs, and it is really helpful for me. And then coming to G2 tasks, GP, GTO, IO, obstacles, PGT, HGT, electorate. So most of our classes were there with Colonel DN Sharma sir and Colonel SK Chabra sir, and really it was a very, very wonderful experience for me to have classes with them. And because our second week most of our classes with them. And Colonel DN Sharma sir, if I talk about him, so he's a very gentleman person. He's a very good man, and also motivates us and always encourages us. And Colonel Chabra sir, as he's also from Science School Kunjpura, so he always motivates us to do, because he tells us that what is expected out of a Science School cadet, and that is the way, that in this way we have to perform, and what all the expectations we have to meet. So that has always been a motivating factor for not only for me, for all of us. And one more thing that I learned about this institution was that we had two mock interviews. For my first interview was taken by Commodore Sunil Jetli sir, in which I got to know about my weaknesses and where I was lagging. So the review which I was given, that I forgot few CIE questions, so I needed to work over it, and so that was something over which I worked a lot. I worked over a period of time, and then when again my second interview was taken by Lieutenant General A.K. Sehgal sir. So really it was a wonderful experience for me. He appreciated my confidence, my communication skills, my physics. He also told me that, okay, you being the school captain, you have performed good, and the advice that he gave me to improve over was to polish my general awareness or my general knowledge. So really it was a great experience. So this was So this was the part about the training. This was the training part which I liked. Now coming to the character building which I got from here. So the two things that I think the three things which I liked here. First, I got the capability. I inculcated the quality to take initiative. My confidence boosted up, and third was interpersonal skills. See, it's first thing initiative. So earlier, actually, I could feel it. Though I was good. I was having good power of expression. I could communicate my thoughts. But still, if somebody takes your name, so my heart used to pump so fast. So that was somewhere I think that. So I came out of this fear. I thought that what may, I have to face it. Let it be. Let anyone think about me whatever he's thinking. We all are here at the same level. We are all are here to learn. So that was the thing I took. I started taking initiative. My confidence boosted up. And the third thing, interpersonal skills. See, being a Sangsud cadet, for a Sangsud cadet to manage with someone other Sainikyan is a very easy thing. So it was not the first time I was coming out of my home and was going to hostel. But when I came here, I got the opportunity to interact with the many civilians, especially the graduate entry students. So whenever I used to interact with them, so they used to tell about themselves that this and this happens. And because being in science school, we are not aware about all the other career options which we can have. So here we got to know about this also. And one thing that I should say that I developed a very good bonding here. Today, at the end of my day, at the end of my training program, I am feeling like I made a family here. We all here are like a family. In my batch, there are around 22 students and 22 candidates, and we all are like a family. We all are very good friends. The first day when we did not even know each other, but now today, if somebody says me that yes, chest number 18, chest number 9, so I can tell that yes, chest number 18 so and chest number 9 is that one. So that is the thing that I like here. So at last I would like to say that when I get recommended, so definitely I shall be thankful to the Cavalier, its faculty, its trainers, and I had a very great experience here. Thank you.